Okay, here we are. Spacecraft creation models and Starlink technology. Getting ready to work on the Cylon number 3 with Baltar.
Destruction.
There's Baltar. And of course, the lasers will fire. I don't have these hooked up yet. And these will be the little red eyes. I'll be going back and forth here. Soundboard. Running engines. And there you go. This is the beginnings. Part 1. Watch for more. Okay, here we go. Part 2. Spacecraft creation models and Starlink technology on Tos Raider number 3 with Baltar. And this is just a test of the wiring. I got it all soldered up. So listen and watch.
Destruction.
Here's the lasers. These are the running lights. These will be the interior purple lights, and the white light will be for Baltar's face. And then right in here will be where the red eyes will go. There you go, part 2. Watch for more. And it just stays on and blinks. So, there you go.